Mark Zuckerberg recently showcased his upcoming technology, highlighting several key announcements. First up is the Meta Quest 3, a virtual reality device designed to enhance productivity through mixed reality. Priced at $300, it offers numerous upgrades compared to the more expensive Apple Vision. The Quest 3 can run all your favorite apps in one space and will soon allow remote connections to Windows 11, enabling users to manage multiple windows simultaneously. Meta AI's open-source model, Llama 3.2, has received a significant upgrade in multimodal capabilities. To compete with GPT, it can now completely transform any photo with a simple command, revolutionizing the Photoshop landscape. Additionally, Meta AI is fully integrated into major social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. The company is also enhancing translation features, particularly for foreign reels, thereby expanding content creators' reach. The demonstration also introduced two innovative training tools. First, translation glasses that provide real-time translation during conversations, allowing for seamless communication. The second device, called Orion, is a portable light VR system, not yet available, designed for work or relaxation on the go. That's everything new from Meta. They're clearly making waves as they strive to compete in the tech landscape. With innovative tools and enhancements, it's evident that they're committed to pushing the boundaries and shaping the future of technology.